Hi, this is Steve Reed, Stephen Reed Ministries, and I'd like to welcome you to my new series, Something to Think About. People and businesses are oftentimes challenged with issues like poor integrity, proper mindset, and life-work balance. This series is designed to help you in these and many other areas. I'll be posing some questions for you to consider. Then I'll touch on some of the basic answers or potential solutions. My desire is to help you with a word of encouragement and some direction. Having optimal life-work balance, after all, isn't that what it's all about? So I want you to stay tuned for more. But first, I pose this question to you. How's your corporate culture doing? What do I mean by corporate culture? Are your employees working well with each other? Do they have the same or similar goals? Are they working with the same mission or vision in mind? Let's talk about these issues for a moment. What if there were two different sets of standards? Those standards in your office or in your business. One for management and one for everybody else. What if it was one set of standards for men and another set of standards for the women in your business? Is it time to step back and evaluate these things? Are you being honest in your evaluations? Do you need an outsider to come in and do an unbiased evaluation? Well, here's another question for you. If you are a supervisor or owner, do you have an open door policy with your employees? Can they come to you and honestly express their opinions without fear of any kind of reprisal? If not, I would suggest that maybe there's an integrity or a character issue that you need to deal with immediately. Now, obviously, the larger the company, the more difficult this is. Do your employees trust you? If there are personnel issues in your office, is it time to turn the mirror around and start looking at yourself? Does it start at the top? Would you like to have a conversation about any of these issues and challenges? Well, don't wait. Today is a new day, and there is no better time to start heading in the right direction than right now. Again, this is Steve Reed, Stephen Reed Ministries. I'm a life and marriage coach. I'm a Ziglar Choose to Win coach. And simply put, I bring light and hope into your world so that you can live a more victorious life. If you'd like to have a short conversation, feel free to reach out. I look forward to visiting with you soon. That's all I've got for right now. Goodbye for now.